I just realized something.
No 9/16ths?
The 9/16ths I took out and it's just sitting on my truck seat.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we are, I don't know, we're doing something. This is do-it-yourself HiFlo cat, and right here we got my 2001 Ford Ranger with the 4.0 in it. Currently for an exhaust setup, I'm running the Gibson Dual Sport. I don't know what I was saying there. You guys can't really see it, but if you watch, yeah, you can't see it. But yeah, running the Gibson Dual Sport. Besides that, there's nothing really else going. Jeez Louise. Nothing else going on with it. So we're gonna take off a normal cat and put a HiFlo in. Say, Dan.
Yep.
So I have my buddy Dan helping me out. I'm pretty sure I've done some videos with your car, but he is in a couple videos of mine. But yeah, right now he's taking the mid pipe off, which is the pipe that goes from the back of the one cat to the muffler. And after that happens, that should give us easy access to the cat that we're making HiFlo. So bear with us while we take her off here. Fairly simple. Can't see it at all. Right there. There she is.
You can have a nut.
And I have a bolt. Where's my nut?
It's in leaves. I'll find it.
Well, at least it's in the leaves. Anyway, we'll get back to you guys once we have the mid pipe all off. Yes. All right, guys. So, I don't know if you can see, not very well. I'm like, okay, so we got the mid pipe disconnected from the back of our cat here, and so like that, and our cat's right there. So I don't know if you'll be able to see in there. Gosh dang it. The lighting is the best thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Not very well, but I don't know. It's clear through there. And what we got to do now is take a really long bar somewhere, and we're going to shove it down in and use a hammer to beat it out. Which I got a hammer up there, that's why I'm putting it up there. And then we use a vacuum cleaner to clean it out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it'll work. And it gets done well, hopefully. And it doesn't ruin my muffler and then blow my engine up. That's the goal.
Oh, look, Tava.
Look at that. I don't know if I'm allowed to touch it.
Well, you are. So.
Look at that. I am. All right. So this is what's going on. We are taking pieces.
Uh-oh. The camera.
Look at that. Come on, focus. Focus back here. Yeah, look at that. Now. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Look at that. You see that? But yeah, we're making her custom HiFlo cat here. I don't know if you guys can see my face. My custom HiFlo going down. And yeah, so basically what we're doing is we're taking this extremely long piece of pipe and we're shoving it in there. And then we use that big freaking hammer and we beat it. I think that's a good sign if there's white stuff coming out like that.
Yeah, okay.
And then basically, eventually we're gonna get the vacuum cleaner. We're gonna we're gonna vacuum her out. This is a lot longer of a process than I thought.
It's
but
also a really weird cat.
yeah, because we go from here up to here. So this might run straight pipe for a couple days.
Just get it really hot.
Yeah, we might have to take a torch to her. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. This is the process. But yeah, this is what.
Ow.
This is what, platinum, I think. Right, Dan? You think? I think.
Platinum?
I think it's platinum. It won't focus.
Something. It's called hex something.
Yeah. Well, whatever material. This is what makes your cat cost $120.
You're just ripping it out.
Yeah, but it's for horsepower purposes and experiment purposes only. I also suggest don't try this at home. Yeah. All right, guys, for the first kind of start, we don't have the cat completely cleared out just yet. Yeah, she's doing stuff. You can feel it in your chest when you do that.
I like how it still sounds smooth.
Yeah, like stuff was flying out that way. Like that piece right there. Yeah, so we still have a little bit more work to do, but we're getting her done, so yeah. Alright, so I just cleared everything out. I will say there is one piece of like mesh in there. It's metal and I can't get it out personally, so I'll just leave it in there. Hopefully it'll rust out here within the next week and maybe I could get it better, but we'll find out on that. But I just buttoned everything up. You can't see it, but I put the exhaust back on, tightened everything, and now I guess it's time for the first startup. Hopefully it made a difference. And I'm sorry I didn't get a before clip, but if you look at my video of me putting this exhaust on, here we go. So I'm hoping it'll do something. Well, does have a bit of a deeper tone to it. Here, let me set you guys up. Yes, I know cold start revving isn't the best, but it does have a deeper tone to it, which is nice. Sorry guys, I'm a little cold, a little shaky here. But yeah, I'm not feeling, there's no exhaust leak there. But this cat is completely HiFlo. So, just a performance mod. Don't try this at home. But yeah, it did. I will say it did take a little bit of convincing. A lot of work had to be done. But here she is. Doesn't sound bad. Hopefully, I will get more pops and. Maybe difference in torque. I don't know. Maybe it won't do anything at all, but now we're out of focus here. There we go. We'll find out. We'll find out. I mean, this is only the first startup, so. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a like if you did. And yeah. Look, hopefully you'll enjoy more of my videos here. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later.